Hello and welcome to Aaron's War History. Just wanted to show you the rare number 68 rifle grenades. So rather than being fired with a rod like this, it was fired with a large barrel shape that would fit in there, and then it would be fired. It was issued to the Home Guard from 1941 onwards. It never saw active service as far as I'm aware. How it worked was, once that came into contact with the surface, it would then explode. Yeah, very rare, cool item, including the original pin. And it's available at Vigo, MILITARIA and collectibles.com.